Hi guys, today we're going to be making a Stovetop chocolate cake. So the first thing I'm going to do is start with 60 grams of butter on the pan, and I'm going to put it over a flame. I'm going to put it on low heat. Just move the butter around. So once this is done, we're going to take the pan off the heat. So the next ingredient I'm going to add is 50 grams of cocoa powder. I'm going to add this to our butter, melted butter here, and just quickly mix it together. The next ingredient I'm going to be adding is half a cup of yogurt, Next, I'm going to add 140 grams of sugar. And then the final two ingredients that I'm going to add are a mixture of 80 grams of flour and half a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to quickly whisk in this little bowl here. And along with this, I'm going to add half a cup of milk. Okay, and I quickly mix this all together. And now we're gonna put this on a medium flame with the lid on, and I'm gonna let it bake here for 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 9 minutes since I last put it in. I dipped my fork in and we don't see any crumbs, just moist crumbs yet. So it is done and you can take it off the plate.